Hey guys, what's up in December? I would like to build a diorama particularly for December. This 1/35th scale Santa Claus will be part of it. I will paint it without airbrushing. Paint it all black in the first place. To make it more dynamic, by sponge tapping. It's a super convenient technique for this purpose. There are lots of rooms for adjustment. We don't need to worry about being too light or too heavy. From my perspective, the model becomes delicious by finishing the step. I use the AK Rust color set as the basic layers on the skins. Before, I was obsessed with collecting color sets for certain objects. Then later on, I used what I got in my hands. There's a lot more fun in making the color instead of buying it. The tool stick is the most finest tool I could find to paint the eyes. I didn't completely master the eye painting skills, the soul of figure painting. For the boots and pants, I use Hood German uniform and leather brown as coat colors. By controlling the amount of deck tang, finalizing the diversity in the outcome. The big red Christmas robe will mostly catch your attention. With brown, red, orange, and deck tan, I was going to apply 3 layers on it, letting layers cover each other, 80% I guess. We could see that there are these beautiful pleats on the surface. Outlining them, dry brushing them, don't miss the chance to make the figure more dynamic. Mixing white and deck tan, outlining the edges of the robe. By the way, I was filming the project mostly by a DJI Pocket 3. Obviously, it's not quite fit for the micro shooting, especially small objects like a scale figure. I met several audio issues. Apologize for that. We were getting close. I prefer a winter camouflaged helmet for Santa Claus. After sponge chipping, I highly diluted a mixture of pure white and deck tan with Hood thinner. Before the layer gets dry, I brush it from a certain direction to leave used marks on the helmet. Here comes the final touch, tapping a few white pigments with a regular makeup brush, moderating the transition of the whole figure. Seal the final result by applying flat varnish. Voila, that's it, and is from Santa Claus. It's part of my December diorama. Hope everything is going on time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
You